Uh-oh. Grass fire. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Safety Optional. Tonight, while we're working on the Jeep V8 swap project, we're working on something else too. As you know, our whole squad is also a competition barbecue team. If you didn't know, now you know. Among the many things that we smoke in is a drum smoker, but we need more. So we decided to make our own. Tonight we're going to start phase 1 of creating a drum smoker. And this is what we're starting with. This is just an ordinary 55-gallon drum, but as you can see, it's got the infamous red coating liner in it. You can't smoke with this because it gives off toxic gases whenever you smoke. So what we got to do is get rid of it. And there are a couple ways you can get rid of it. You can grind it out, maybe use some sort of toxic chemical to eat it out. But the easiest way and the generally most accepted way to get rid of it is to burn it out. So tonight we're going to burn out these barrels and get them all prepped up to start the welding process and fabrication process to turn these into some ugly drum smokers.
So it has a plate. It'll have a plate just for reinforcing on the bottom. It'll have a rim here, just on the inside of this. The basket will sit down inside of it. The tube comes down, goes through about here.
About there?
Yeah, about here.
Well, grab the drill, Matt.
And then goes in.
Here you go. Hang on, we want to use the pretty side. This thing will get painted, but we want to put the dent away from the. Do you want the vents in the front?
Yeah.
All right, so the front will be away from the dent.
Okay.
So we'll do a hole, and they need to be what, 120 degrees apart?
120 degrees.
He's already through. So hold on, we got three more to
go, so it's worth oiling it on the future one.
Oh yeah. Okay.
All right, spot your next location. Ow! We got that on camera. That hurt. There we go.
That's good.
Yeah, that's the way it should look. With the two holes there. Okay. All right, that works.
All right.
Hot!
Ow! Hot.
All right. That's two. Here on Safety Optional, we believe in recycling. This is the gasoline that came out of the Tahoe before it was salvaged.
Hey!
The recycling is not always good for the environment.
That's right. This is a really bad idea. Here we go.
Hey, you could light something off.
Colin, yeah, just get down and hit the side. There you go.
Holy crap.
The other one's lit.
my gosh.
That is, if there's any question whether or not it had appropriate draft, now you know.
With the lid on, yeah. gasoline-y. And...
I can't believe we're doing this, but I'm so glad we are.
All right, yeah, throw that in there, and then.
See what's wrong with you, sissy? Oh,
Hey!
Here, that was more fun.
Now feel the heat. Hang on.
That's great.
Feel the heat right here. All right, I want to show you something that may or may not show up on camera. But the bottom of the barrel is glowing. It is freaking translucent. That is some hot fire. And uh-oh, grass fire. Too hot. All right, guys, we've got the barrels burned out. We're gonna let them continue to burn and then cool off tonight. And then they should be ready to start fabrication on. You can tell from here that all the paint is burned off the outside, all the stickers are gone. They're ready to start fabrication on. So we're gonna let those continue to burn out tonight. Let everything gas off and all the fire die down. Let them get nice and cool. And then the next episode, we'll start working on them. So guys, if you want to learn how to make an ugly drum smoker, tune in for more Safety Optional. Thanks for watching.
I said, driveway, I don't care. like.
All right.
Hot!
Oh, hot.
Hey, we could get a tape measure and like math.
No, we're not doing
No,
that.
it's a
No.
smoker. It smokes meat.
Okay.
Put some holes in it.